Hey, what's going on YouTube? This is Donnie. So if you guys been following my channel, actually, I'm pretty sure you guys saw my latest video where I've removed the cup holders on our Highlander. This is a fourth generation 2021 model year. This is a platinum trim. So with when you have these captain's chairs, normally current generation Highlanders come with this fixed static cup holder in the middle, which for some people like myself, especially with kids and all, that was just a extra stuff to worry about, from accidentally breaking it or getting it all marked up and whatnot, because kids prefer to use this pass through in the middle instead of actually having the seat slide. But anyway, so I removed it. I removed the cup holder on my previous video, but then on that video, I just played. I fill in those holes with the roll, like a soft roll in there, and then just place this over the floor mat piece in the middle. But then just the other day, I was actually cleaning my garage, and then I came across with the old floor mats from our previous vehicles, and I kind of got an idea. Something came to my mind. I'm like, why don't I just try to use one of those carpeted floor mats? Cut it where it would fit into this middle portion, and just cover it up real nicely, and then put this floor mat. So I did that. So let me show you. Here's the rubber piece. And now there you have it. So this is what I added actually just yesterday by cutting that, sorry for that camera. It's sunny today, very sunny, so sorry about that. There you go. I think it's better. And yeah, so this was a floor mat that actually was left from our Acura TSX. We used to have Acura, and then we replaced the carpeted ones with all weather floor mats, and then we traded in that. We actually sold it. We sold the vehicle, but then this carpeted floor mat was still in the garage apparently. So, but anyway, it was actually for the good though, because now it served the purpose. So, so let me show you what I did. So here, as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see it right there. So this is where you can tuck it in actually. So that's what I did. So let me pull this thing out, and then you guys can see. There you go. So here's the floor mat. I cut it though. So I cut it where it would fit. Cut the edges. Not the perfect way, I guess. May not be ideal. But you know what? It works. So, and that's how it was before. Before I put this on, before the carpet. So I mean, it's still covered if you have that the rubber floor mat, but with this it looks even better. To insert it, you're gonna put this in. Put one side in. Just kind of, it tucks in nicely. There's like a little gap on these tracks, beneath these tracks, because these seats do slide, so they sit on the tracks. So, and there's a little space, and same goes on this side. There you go. And just pull it back a little bit. That way, this portion, I guess this way would be better. There you go. And this floor mat actually, I want to say was for back seats of that Acura. It was a 2010 or 2011 Acura TSX. So floor mats were relatively smaller since it was a sedan. And there we go. I hope you guys can see this picture. So it's not too different actually. The texture. Here's the Highlander's own original actually floor mat, and then not a floor mat but the carpet. carpeted floor, and then this is Acura's floor mat. Basically, it's not too different, and especially since I'm gonna be putting this rubber piece in here, it covers it up real nicely, and then just make sure it doesn't stick out over here, so people who are gonna be going through this path won't get tripped. But there you go, there you have it. So I think it looks much better now. I mean, my wife, she liked it too. She says it looks much cleaner, and looks more like original. And having that floor mat, especially on top of it, just fix the picture even better. So yeah, this is the little update that I did. Kind of wanted to share with you guys, because I figure the one that I did before, what I had just this piece, wasn't, it wasn't ideal. It still worked. I mean, I still drove around for a few days. Kids were using it, no issues. But now I think it looks even cleaner. So yeah, just wanted to share with you guys. And if you are planning to do the same thing, I mean, I guess this is just food for thought. You guys can do the same if you want, or take a different approach. But either way, thanks for watching. I hope you guys like this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. Share it with other people. And I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Thank you.